Hey guys, I thought I'd try something new in today's video. Now, I am not a financial expert. I am only just getting into investing. This is my portfolio at the moment, and this is a new series that I'm going to be starting called What Stocks to Buy Today. And one stock I've been looking into a little bit is Boeing. Excuse me. So, within the last year, it has been going down 68%, obviously, because of what's going on with the economy right now. Most of it has happened very recently. So before this dip, it was upwards of $300. And within the last 3 months itself, it has been going down 62%. Within the last month, 56%. And just even within the last week is 27.6%. Now, what is Boeing? It is basically a manufacturer of commercial airlines and also military aircraft. Now, it was founded in 1916 and it has a pretty large dividend yield, which I'll show you here momentarily. And if you look here, you'll see a bunch of negative news about this particular company. So, a leasing company cancels a bunch of orders, and then you'll see that the airline industry right now is hurting due to what's going on with the economy. And overall, it just seems like a good buy at the moment. And you'll see that its previous earnings has been high, and Q4 obviously is hurting. So I am probably going to be purchasing one or two of these today, depending on the price. I'm guessing at the moment, again, not an expert, but this is just one that I think people should be considering and looking into. I mean, if again, do your own research, but I'm just doing some quick highlights just to show you guys why I'm looking at this particular stock. And if you go on dividend.com, you'll see that it has had a dividend growth of 8 years. So it's been growing for the past 8 years, basically. And its payout annually is $8.22. And if you just scroll on down, you'll see a snapshot, the days range, and its highs and its lows. So at its highest point is almost $400. At its lowest point is like $89. So right now we are reaching market lows. I mean, the market low happened at some point during March, and we all know why that happened. So going down, you'll see that it pays its dividends quarterly and of $2.05, it looks like. And over the past couple of years, you'll see it's been steadily growing. Wow, that is a really good yield. I need to figure out how to be able to unlock this information. But yeah, I would highly recommend at least taking a look at Boeing Company. The stock ticker is BA. And again, not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. But if you would like to take a look at it, feel free to do so. And as of today, my portfolio has, let's see here, this is pre-market at the moment. So it's only been going up today. And overall, within the last 3 months, my portfolio has only dropped 3.2%. And overall, I have invested at this point in time $1,391. I'm obviously going to be putting more money into it today just to purchase Boeing and a couple other companies that I could be looking at. A nice pick that I had yesterday was Tesla. So I was able to buy in at $4.93. I didn't buy a whole share. I have access to fractional shares. So I only put in $10 and was able to get this nice jump right here because of the fact that their Q1 sales were released, and obviously when that happens and they're doing well, you'll see a nice uptick in companies. So we'll have to see what happens with Tesla today and debate if we should purchase more or if we should sell where we're at. We'll see what happens. But yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.